Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing part 2 of makeup hacks. I found 5 more hacks to try out, and yeah, I'm gonna go a little bit different about it. I will do my makeup as I normally would, and where the eyeshadow, eyeliner or whatever hack it is comes in, I will just use the hack and keep going and see how it looks at the end. And so yeah, without any further ado, let's get into it. So we start with the foundation, 2N and 3N from L'Oreal Perfect Match Combination. There is no hack for this one in this video. I'm just gonna apply it normally with my brushes this time, where they can actually get very nicely blended in, and yeah. Concealer 2N from Perfect Match. We are applying it as, again, normal. There's no hack to it. And now we're setting everything with the powder. MS shade Nude. Okay, so now that we have the base, we can start with the first hack, and that's gonna be a eyeshadow hack. I will put in the clip, but I will also explain in case I have to remove it later. Basically, she's using liquid lipstick to apply on her eyelids and make it look like an eyeshadow and match it with her lipstick. So I'm gonna be using this one from Maybelline, shade 130 Self Starter. It's a pretty nice shade, a bit orangey. It's very matte, and it's a super stay, so this is gonna stay. I am skeptical. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I'm gonna shut up and do it and see. Okay, this is not too bad. I took a little idea of my own, and I just touched with the brush on the applicator, and I just put a little bit under the eye, and I'm not hating it. It's pretty fast. Like if you gotta go and you know you're late, because we're always late, this works pretty good. Yeah, so I am liking this hack, and it doesn't even like it. If you're using a lipstick like mine, it's not even gonna go away. Like it's just staying because it's a super stay lipstick, 24 hours. So you might not even need a setting spray. I have it, but for this you don't really need it, and it's an intense color and it's pretty good. Okay, so we are moving on to the next hack, but not before fixing the eyeshadow a little bit in the corners with concealer. Okay, moving on to the next hack is if you don't have eyeliner, you place a black pencil in water, and this is supposed to be eyeliner. It's just a normal black colored pencil, and I put it in the water kind of like halfway through the video, about 10 minutes ago. And let's see if this works in any way, shape or form. I am very skeptical. Hardly. I feel like I'm gonna get stabbed in the eye with this. It's not working. It's not doing almost anything. Okay, so as to not blame it on the pencil, I added two others besides from this one, and I will leave them in here for a while and do other hacks and come back to this one at the end and see if it's the pencil or the hack itself is just not great. And we're gonna do some contouring. She's doing like, she's using the tweezers and applying contouring on her nose with this. It sounds like it looks painful. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm just gonna go ahead and dip this in the contouring and go for it. Take two. Yeah, I'm not sold on this one. I mean, it does apply the contour, but like, is it really worth ruining your contour like this? I'd say it's not. You can just use the brush. I'm gonna do the rest with my bronzing powder from Manhattan, Maxi Matte, shade 1 Blonde. Okay, I'm gonna take a look if the pens are melted. Okay, this one, the thicker one, is already leaving some marks, and the other one too, but I'll be using this one even though it's very thick and probably gonna look really bad. We will try. Yeah, quite a horror show. But technically it works, you just need a different kind of pen. And make sure it's non-toxic before you put it on your eyes. I don't want to be responsible if you're trying this and something happens. They did not disclose this in the video, but I feel like I should, just in case, to be safe. Okay, it's a bit of a struggle, and especially for me with this pencil, it's a bit thick, the line, because it's a thick pencil. I cannot do much about it, but technically it works. Yeah, it's not that bad. So far these hacks have worked. Let's continue with the next one, and that's the lipstick hack. And we're gonna go ahead and ruin a perfectly good bobby pin and apply our lipstick because we are not capable of keeping it within the lines. Is this what she did? Alright. Can I even contour before? We are using the same lipstick as we used for the eyeshadow because we must. Oh wait, right, the bobby pin. Well, that's a struggle. How the hell? I hate this. And of course making even a bigger mess because the lipstick got on the bobby pin. Jesus. No, I hate it. I hate it so much. I made a mess. I normally don't make a mess up there, but now I did thanks to that thing. Right, so the bobby pin trick is a no for me. I do not like it. It makes a mess. But 1 out of 4, it's not that bad of a rating. I think there is one more. Yes, we still have the freckles. I tried last week a trick about the freckles and it did not work, and I'm curious if the one from this week will. Basically you're supposed to apply highlighter powder on top of your hairbrush and just apply it on your face and see if that works. But before that, we're just gonna apply some mascara, Lash Sensational from Maybelline, and we will leave that to be as the final look. The thickness of that eyeliner is making my lashes look much shorter. It's not fun, but it is what it is. And yeah, let's try this freckles hack. I'm gonna use the contouring powder from this palette, the dark one from over here. Okay, no, the powder doesn't stay and it doesn't work. It's too soft, so we're gonna go for the contouring palette stuff instead, because this is more creamy and has a better chance of staying. Okay, it's full of that. Let's see if it's working. Very little. I will try with a darker one. Okay, this works. You guys, there's a crazy thunderstorm approaching me. Okay, it's a little hard to apply them on the nose, but this trick works. And much better than the other one too. It's odd seeing myself with freckles as I don't have them naturally. I'm not a big fan of them. I don't usually put them on my face, but it's not bad with this look, and if you're into that, I can say confidently that this trick works much better than the other one from last week with the powder, and that didn't work at all. This does, and it's pretty nice. We're gonna apply a little bit of highlighter just to make the look complete. It's from Bipa, so Glow. It's a liquid one. And here we go. This is the completed look for this week using these 5 makeup hacks. It went much better than last week in my opinion. 4 out of 5 were actually functional and pretty nice. The 1 out of the 4 that I didn't like so much was the one with the eyeliner, because you have to let it in water and you have to get a glass and you have to wait for it, so it's not so practical to be out the door when you need to go real quick. But other than that, yeah, and the bobby pin one, just you can forget about it. Like really, I don't like it. I don't know, I cannot with that thing. It just makes it more complicated somehow. But the other ones are pretty cute, and I'm really enjoying this matching eyeshadow and lipstick. I will definitely actually use this trick again with different colors. I have some more edgy, more intense colors. I decided to go for this one in case it goes wrong. But as you can see, it did not, and I'm very happy about it. Let me know down below which one was your favorite, if you will try it, if you like the finished look, and leave a like if you haven't already. Subscribe for more. I'm posting every Saturday afternoon, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!